Hi, my name is Vilma Gomez, and I will be sharing with you about the HighScope curriculum. And I will be discussing HighScope's history, philosophy, teacher's role, materials used in teaching, developmental appropriate practice, standards used, and a little bit of diversity and family engagement. So, high school began in 1962 with the vision of psychologist David Wickard and school principal Charles Beatty. Dr. Wickard and Principal Beatty began the preschool project in which they studied the impact of high quality early education on 123 black children with risk factors of failing school. In 1970, the curriculum was established. The next milestone came with the parent-to-parent dissemination project that resulted in the infant and toddler curriculum. In 1985 came the first large-scale training of educators and leaders in early childhood. In 1998, an important element of the HighScope curriculum was introduced, the quality assessment tool. In 2012, the fourth edition of the curriculum came out, and finally in 2019, this preschool quality assessment was revised. HighScope's philosophy lies in the belief that every child should be given the opportunity to grow in their best selves, no matter their circumstances. These opportunities come from providing high quality early childhood education with practices that are evidence backed on what works in supporting children, teachers, and their families. In addition, teachers are empowered with the ability to change the trajectory of a child's life, and community engagement is key in creating a better future for children. The teacher's role in the HighScope curriculum starts by creating an environment that promotes exploration of learning materials and the interaction with peers and adults. Teachers act as partners, working side by side with the children, encouraging verbal and nonverbal communication. Key strategies for adult-child interaction include sharing control with children, scaffolding children's play, using encouragement, and promoting problem-solving skills. In the daily routine, teachers help children make decisions about what they will do, how they will carry out their ideas, and reflect on the activities with adults and other children. This plan, do, review approach is a trademark of the HighScope curriculum. Assessment is an ongoing activity. Teachers write anecdotal observations of children during play. Teachers use these observations to plan meaningful learning experiences. The materials used are characterized as loose parts, which means that they do not have any specific directions and they can be used alone or together with other materials. They can be moved, combined, redesigned, lined up, or taken apart and put back together again. Examples include boxes, strings, and sticks. Real-life kitchen utensils and other items in dress-up costumes are also a big part of materials that are used. Centers are also organized to facilitate interaction between adults and children. Some of the links to the developmental appropriate practices include that teachers encourage children individual experiences. Teachers plan activities based on their observation of children. Children are given choice of what activities, materials, and play peers they want according to their interests and needs. Also, the curriculum is based on key developmental domains like social, emotional, physical, cognitive, and language. HighScope curriculum and assessments align with the standards of the National Association for the Education of Young Children. The standards promote learning development in the different developmental domains. The standards promote curriculum that includes goals for the content children learn, activities linked to the goals, daily schedules, and routines. HighScope promotes diversity. Teachers promote diversity by striving to understand the children's home culture. They create classroom environments that reflect children's homes and communities. Adults model respect for diversity, empowering children to be confident and show respect for others. Family engagement is an essential part of the HighScope curriculum. They operate from the belief that parents are their children's first teachers. Teachers strive to establish warm and supportive relationships with parents. The curriculum offers teachers different resources to collaborate with parents. So this is the HighScope model. I enjoy learning about it, and I believe it's a strong curriculum. I thank you for listening to my presentation.